what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
This week on OMG Food, we're doing... Who's surprised? No one should be surprised. It's a cartoon with food in it, and it has its actual own cookbook. I mean, you knew we were gonna do it eventually.
Alright, who knows how to bake bread?
There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass.
I'm sure we're gonna do more of these in the future, but the first one we're gonna try is a good Manchego is hard to find. This was not even in the actual episode. This is using fig jam.
Fig jam?
Fig jam.
As an ingredient in the burger, as well as shallots, arugula, and Manchego. This wasn't in the actual episode though. This is just a recipe that they came up with using fig jam because there was fig jam is the name of a store in the episode.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Bread.
I would bring it down. There's a joint on the corner where the big boys play, where the whiskey's running like the river, but they all never come for the booze and bass. I'm the one, I'm the lady that'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. That'll rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place. Rock this place.
This burger is so big. I intended the burger patty to be pretty big. The buns, I should have made a little bit... that squished down a little bit more because they kind of plumped up a little bit more than I wanted them to. So it's a little taller than I wanted, but it looks good. I don't know how it's gonna taste. Well, I never know how it's gonna taste. Manchego, fig jam, caramelized shallots. Aha, okay.
This is fantastic.
This is really, really good. This is so awesome. I feel like it's not that crazy, but it's so much better than I thought it was gonna be. I love when I'm surprised by like, oh, this is always tastier. I love the ones that are always tastier than I think they're gonna be. And then there's some that are like disappointing letdowns, but this is one of the better ones. This is really, really nice. The buns, I don't know if I love the way they look, but they came out, they weren't bad. But the buns didn't come out. We'll continue to make the buns better, right? We'll continue to work on the buns. Every time we do a bun recipe, gotta get those nice, plump, juicy buns. Before I forget, I always forget to mention this, but if you have Instagram, follow OMG Food on Instagram. Why are you not doing it? Do it. Trying to get to 45 billion subscribers. That's the goal. That's followers. Whatever the Instagram thing is, that's the goal. 45 billion Instagram followers. And then we're gonna have a party with sandwiches. Came out really good. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish eating this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's it for this one. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. We're gonna have to do some more of these Bob's Burgers episodes though, because these are, I mean, everyone loves burgers. As long as we do the interesting ones, I don't want to do the boring ones. I want to do the interesting ones. But I think we're going to do some more of these. We got the cookbook anyway. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you as always. Let me know what you want to see in the comments below. And I will see you as always in the next one.
Sorry, Dad. I have to go see a car wash about a fudge.
Get Mommy a to-go bucket!
Hot fudge car wash. Hot fudge car wash. Hot fudge.
Free cupcake-flavored ice cream served on a waffle!
You're killing me!
Cupcake ice cream waffles? Why are we doing burgers? We could have done cupcake ice cream waffles!